Are you moving to Nashville, Tennessee and looking for a new custom home? Today we are back in Sylvan Park, one of my favorite neighborhoods in Nashville, checking out a beautiful home. Can't wait to show this one to you. A little bit about Sylvan Park. I've done several videos on this area, but a lot of the local people come to this area because there's not as many tourists. So you have a lot of restaurants, you have Neighbors, the bar there that a lot of locals go to. Edley's Barbecue is there, Nona's Italian place, just a lot of options, very walkable. The house we're looking at today, you could actually walk to that area if you want. And we're also right beside McCabe's golf course. So it's a public course, but a fun one to play. And then as you'll see, there's also the Greenway here. You can actually access the Greenway right from the house here. The Greenway is just a lot of trails that connect throughout Nashville. You can run, you can bike, you can walk your dog. It's a great way to get out into nature while being in the city. So keep an eye on that. And I am Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. We are out here every single week looking for unique and custom homes for you. So put me and my team to work. Fill out that questionnaire in the description and we will reach out to you. Can't wait to meet you and hear what you're looking for in Nashville and the surrounding areas. A few features of this home here. So you're looking at 4 beds, 4 full baths, 2 half baths, 2,816 square feet. This one's listed at 1.75 million. And you know, a lot of what you're paying for over here is the location. You just cannot beat it. You're so close to downtown from here. You're close to every fun, cool area that Nashville has to offer. So just love the location. I love the layout of this one too. You have a lot of outdoor space on each level. My favorite is probably the very top level with that outdoor space where you can see the golf course. Stay to the end to see that one. And this one it also has this stunning chef's kitchen, 10-foot ceilings. You have a gas fireplace on this one. You have the 6-inch white oak floors, which I love. Just a great layout. One of the bedrooms right now is used as a sitting area, which is on that main floor, on the bottom floor. The owner suite is on the second floor, and then the other 2 bedrooms are on the top floor. So, but just great layout, great location. Can't wait to show this one to you. Let's go check it out. Right, what did you think about this home in Sylvan Park? Sylvan Park is one of my favorite neighborhoods in Nashville, and I love that this one is on a golf course. This is a public golf course, so it's not a private one. Great place to play, get some practice in, and then you also have the Greenway right here, and you have access to the Greenway right from the house here, so you can see people are walking right there, walking their dogs, and the Greenway connects all over town, all over Nashville, so you can take this, you can take your bike, you can walk your dogs, all over the city by taking the Greenway, and it connects in several different places across Nashville. So great spot. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And again, as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping people find their next home right here in Middle Tennessee. So can't wait to meet you. Fill out that questionnaire in the description. I'll get back with you. Can't wait to meet you. See you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.